Howdy ho, boys and girls. Will here, just in time prepping. Here's Leo. Did you guys say good evening to Leo? Hey Leo, what's going on? And look what else I have here. Huh? You guys remember this thing? Hold on a second. Let me get up there closer. There we go. Look at that, huh? And still, you're gonna put something around here, a piece of leather, I believe. Or something to grab a hold of there. And then the blade, I'm gonna paint it yellow. Maybe have some munch marks right here. But as I get more and more of it done, I'm gonna show you guys. But as my melee came out pretty darn mean looking. Yep, told you guys I'd show you guys. Let me put this up over here. So, how's everybody this evening, huh? Let me get this turned a little bit. I'm gonna go through an everyday carry for me. Show you what I carry around with me. I better have a little sip of the coffee. Hold on. Sip of the coffee. Oh, you guys like coffee? Coffee's good for you. Here's to you. Maybe you should put a little extra in there, huh? There we go. Okay. I just got to thinking, we haven't really done an everyday carry for Will. And I have it sitting down here. I don't have a whole lot that I carry around. I figure what I carry is important to me and that's all that really counts. So, let's get on it. Everybody has to have this, right? Woohoo! Look at that. You know what that is? Of course you do. It's a charger for your phone. Everybody's got to have a charger. It's either in my pants pocket or it's sitting in just inside the glove compartment of my car, my Jeep. Then I have one of these gadgets. How many people know what that is? Here, let me make this a little clearer. There we go. How's that? There's my rescue inhaler. In case I have an asthma attack or something. I haven't had to use it for a while, but you just never know. I carry it with me just in case. I carry this little knife here. It's a Gerber. It's just a pocket knife. Whoop. Just something slipping inside my pocket for a little stuff to do. Comes up during the course of your life. And the reason I carry it is because it belonged to my dad. God rest his soul. So I just carry it around with me every day. I carry this whistle in case somebody kidnaps me. I want to be able to try to get somebody to find me. That's pretty good, huh? Also has a little thing in there tells some information on me, not too much, but some, like what kind of medical conditions I have and whatnot. Who to get a hold of, my son, Dustin. Let's see, what else? Oh, I got one of these gadgets. It goes around with me so that every time I eat, I can tell what's going on with my diabetes. Those batteries last quite a long time. I have a lot, another set, and they last, I think, I haven't changed the batteries in years, so I'm thinking it's gonna last a while. Not only that, I don't have to take it every day. I used to take them every day, but I just have it around, and if I start getting a little Uzi or something, then I might take it. This is kind of important to have. See that? Can you guys see in there? There they are. Just extra pair of glasses. You never know when you're gonna lose yours or they're gonna fall out and break or whatever, and then you won't be able to see. So extra pair of glasses is important. Another black case for me. It's something like a little notebook. It is sort of a notebook. Yeah. It's an INR reader. Tells me how much, how filled up my blood is, I guess the best word. You guys know about them, I'm not going to tell you. Don't know about them, look it up. I carry around a pen, belt tip pen, you never know. This, carry this around, it's my go-to knife really. It's a Camelus. It's a lock blade. It's got a clip on it for my pocket. And the handle, I like the idea of the handle. The handle is crushed up polished glass. Pretty good, huh? Okay. These are real good knives, by the way, and they're not that expensive. If you go and look at one, this one here was shoot under $10, I believe. Okay, here's something else I carry around with me all day long. This little thing here holds the pills I take over the course of the day when I'm out running around. So I have a few pills in there, and they are there when I need them. So I just have a little thing of pills. Well, here's the last thing I have. There. What I have in here? There, huh? That's so nobody messes around. Those are the replacements right there. After I empty the gun on you on the other one. My go-to. This is my go-to equalizer. So, there we go. This little baby's always in the car somewhere. Here, let me get this down a little bit. There we go. Thing's always in the car somewhere. In the house when I'm not using the car. It's in the house or it's in the car. Pretty handy little weapon. Has a clip in there that's empty right now, but I have a box of hollow points in the bedroom. I'm getting ready to load it tonight, so I'm going to go down and do some serious practicing at the gun pit. It's actually a gun alley here in a city close to me here. If you guys don't have one of these, you should at least go try them out. You can see I have kind of small hands, but it fits in my hand perfect. Oh, you might know what it is? Of course you do. It's a 9mm and it's a Sig Sauer and it's a SP 2022. Nice little weapon. Comes apart real nice. You don't see a safety on it because they come with 3 safeties built into them. You know enough about them, you know that. So that's what I carry every day around. Make sure that my day is pretty well taken care of. As you can see, I am well taken care of. This thing makes sure of it. If I don't have that, I guess I could always come through with this, huh? What should we call this thing? Nelly? Tell me what you think you should name it. Yeah. That's what I carry around with me all day, every day. What do you carry around? You guys have a great night and a better day. God bless. Will out.